Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the actual sound file and placing it where Android expects to find notifications. Use MP3 or OGG for widest compatibility. Shorter clips load faster and avoid truncation. Once done, open a File Manager app or mount the device over USB and copy the file into the notifications folder in internal storage. You do this because Android scans that folder for user tones. Make sure names are simple and lowercase, so the system recognizes the. Now you move the audio into the correct system-accessible folder. Open your file manager, navigate to internal storage, and locate or create a notifications directory. Placing the file at the top level ensures Android indexes it. Copy or move the prepared MP3/OGG there, and then trigger a media scan by rebooting or using a scan utility. You do this because Android refreshes available tones on scan. Without it, the new sound won't show up in sound selection menus. Finish by selecting the sound in System Settings. Go to Settings, right arrow Sound and Vibration, right arrow Default Notification Sound, then choose your newly added file from the list and preview it. If you want the tone for a specific app, open that app's notification settings and select the same sound. If the file doesn't appear, make sure it's in Notifications, not a subfolder, and then clear media storage data or reboot. That forces Android to reindex your audio files so the tone becomes selectable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.